Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990. S&P 500 is now up 44 points. All the big averages are up except oil is down. Wonder what that would be from. We'll talk about it. But let's take a look and see what the markets are doing. We've got the 10-year Treasury down 6 basis points, 4.153. Mortgage-backed securities are up 33 basis points. That means interest rates are down. And speaking of interest rates, every day at this time, OBMMI, they provide the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. Conforming loans locked yesterday, 7.151. Jumbo loans, 7.055. FHA, 6.92. The USDA loans at 7.051. That's for our rural areas with generally no down payment. And 30-year VA loans, the best loan on the market for those that earned it, 6.915. This does not tell us anything about what kind of points might have been paid to get there, but those are the numbers from our friends at OBMMI. What's driving the market right now? Well, first off, obviously, it's going to be the election. If the markets believe, and the betting market is this morning is coming out very heavy, that a red wave, the Republicans take over the Congress, both the House and the Senate. That's the betting markets overseas. And it doesn't matter which one it is. If they take over one or the other, it doesn't matter, because that'll put a pretty bit of a cap on some of the spending bills a little bit. Republicans like to spend way too much money also. And whether the spending is right or wrong, it's inflationary. But when there is gridlock, it can make passing those bills much tougher over the next 2 years, which would likely be well received by the bond market because it means less inflation. October NFIB Small Business Optimism Index fell to 91.3 from 92.1. Owners continue to show a dismal view about future sales growth and business conditions and are looking to hire less workers. They're still citing inflation as the biggest problem. The Manheim Used Vehicle Value Index fell 2.2% in October after dropping 2% in September. Prices are now down 10.6% year over year. The index itself is at the lowest since August 2021. And we know this line of item of the goods inflationary story has turned. So that's a good thing. Auto loan delinquencies, 60-plus days, have increased to 1.5% in the third quarter. And while this seems low, it has been trending higher and highest in over a decade. So there's some of the numbers of what's driving the market. That's the Mortgage Minute, brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990.